You wanted Roman, and you got Roman. The OTC. Roman Reigns is here at WrestleMania. Tonight, Roman Reigns will fight the best in the world, CM Punk, in the World Heavyweight Championship match. Will Roman Reigns walk out tonight as the new World Heavyweight Champion, or the best in the world will survive against the OTC? We will find out coming up next when Roman Reigns faces CM Punk in the world title battle. Roman Reigns has the record of main eventing WrestleMania most times. And here comes the best in the world, Roman Reigns. CM Punk started battling for the world title. Close line by Reigns. Another close line sends Punk outside. And now Reigns smashes Punk into the apron's edge. And now Punk counters, smashes the OTC into the steel post. And now they both started fighting among the crowd. Oh no. Roman Reigns is badly punishing the best in the world.
He says.
Oh, now smashes Punk with a prime portal. Again smashes him into the apron's edge. Now the punches. Oh, the kick to the gut. Now Punk fighting back. Sends Reigns inside the ring, and now mocking Reigns. Going for the spear. No. Super Samoan drop by the OTC. Roman Reigns is for sure the king of WWE, and there's no doubt. Locked and loaded. Superman punch. Countered by Punk into a neckbreaker.
I want to see the Pepsi plunge. God damn.
Not waiting for the cover. And now a knee strike against it. Another knee strike stuns the OTC. What a classic battle. Punk puts down Reigns. It's a Superman punch. Cover. This time Punk powers out at 2.5. Punk barely kicked out. Is that means that Roman Reigns winning tonight? Is that means Roman Reigns destroys CM Punk? No. Kick to the face. Punk fighting back. Roman Reigns called CM Punk old. And this old man giving a tough competition to the OTC. Both men going back and forth. Reigns, Punk, world title on the line. Will Roman Reigns become the world heavyweight champion for the first time in his career? Rock bottom by Punk. Record for Reigns. Punk is shocked, and now
second row.
he puts Roman Reigns into the anaconda vice. Like an anaconda, CM Punk locks Roman Reigns into his submission. Roman Reigns is definitely in so much pain.
Oh yeah.
But there is no one to save the OTC, and now GTS. Covered by Punk. Kick out by the king of WWE. Roman Reigns always kicks out at 2.99. Roman Reigns also cleared that if he loses tonight, he will leave WWE. He will retire if he loses to CM Punk tonight. It means Roman Reigns' career on the line tonight. CM Punk is feeling it. CM Punk wants to end Roman Reigns' career. CM Punk wants to retire Reigns tonight. Will this happen? Well, nobody wants it to happen. And now Punk again going for the GTS, the go to sleep. No, Reigns very angry. And said enough is enough. Puts Punk through the announcer's table. The domination of the OTC has begun. Reigns sends Punk inside the ring again. Roman Reigns saying, this is the time. This is my time to shine. This is my time to bring WWE back on track. OTC is here to rule the WWE and now puts the best in the world into the guillotine choke. The referee is checking on Punk. Is Punk passing out? Is the best in the world giving up? Punk is fighting back. Oh no! Punk counters into a roll-up and now again putting the OTC into the Anaconda Vice. CM Punk in trouble. Roman Reigns in trouble. Who will win a Superman punch out of nowhere? Roman Reigns is your new world heavyweight champion. And now Punk is here. Punk and Reigns both are fighting in the middle of the ring. CM Punk throwing punches. Reigns says, I'm gonna put you down with a tackle. Clothesline. CM Punk in trouble. OTC dominating here in this brawl. On a Punk sends Reigns outside. CM Punk very angry on Roman Reigns. Smashes the OTC into the announcer's table and now smashes him into the steel post. Referees and officials are here to calm down the situation. But the situation is already out of control. CM Punk wants to put Roman Reigns through the table. And now the OTC is fighting back. Throwing punches to the best in the world. CM Punk. Oh, the brawl.
Reverse that. Reverse that.
Reigns wanna put Punk through the announcer's table, but Punk counters, escapes, and now CM Punk picks Reigns up. Look at Roman. Look at Roman. Spear to Hurricane. And now Punk takes out Roman Reigns with a GTS. Took the advantage of the situation. CM Punk, the devil, is laughing. And now Cody Rhodes, Randy Orton, undisputed championship match. Orton fighting back with the elbows to the American Nightmare. Oh no! What Cody is trying to do? Roll up. Caught by Orton. The Viper in trouble. Cody targets the back of the Viper and now the Viper. Pat McAfee is also here. Oh! Orton with an RKO to Pat McAfee. Cody with a crossroads. Cody with a cover. Cody Rhodes retains the championship. Still your undisputed champion, the American Nightmare. Cody. Oh no. Orton smashes Cody's skull with the championship. What just happened? The Viper strikes after the match. And now the Viper. Pine kick to the American Nightmare. Oh, Seth Rollins smashes the Paul fraud Paul Heyman, the betrayal artist, getting the beating that he deserves. And now Seth Rollins setting this Paulie guy, the Paul fraud Paul Heyman, for the curb stomp again. Seth Rollins is feeding it. Paul Heyman in trouble. Will save Paul Heyman. Oh, Gunther, the ring general, is here to save the Wiseman. The Oracle, Paul Heyman, the Advocate. Seth Rollins trying to fight back, but Gunther is too powerful to control. The strength of Gunther is definitely dominating the Visionary. There is no scope for the revolution of Seth Rollins now. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more. I show speed. Ah, what a splash!